Hi, this is Yamez with Island Metal Forge. I'm still doing my Twist series today, and thank you for watching so far. Almost done as of right now. I've only got a couple more to go, this one and another. So what I'm doing here with this one is the famous Rubik's twist. Everybody loves to do the Rubik's twist. I'm hoping to have kind of a definitive video of how it happens. Now, I pre-ground this out with a angle grinder. It looks much cleaner and better if you take the time and hacksaw thin cuts, you know, thin measured symmetrical cuts in each one after making your lines down the middle. Okay, it really pops if there's not a lot of space, but the steps still move. The cubes still move. All you do is take and do your lines, and then on opposite corners you cut lines like such. Okay, just corner to corner, you know, line to line on each side. Okay, and then it's a simple, then you twist it until you're happy. That's the important thing with this one. Too tight of a twist, I kind of think it throws it off. Too loose of a twist, you barely notice it. I've always seen on a shorter piece, a full twist is a bit too much. A 3/4 twist is usually what I end up doing. With a piece this long, we'll see where it goes. But this is the Rubik's twist. Enjoy. Alright, now, with the Rubik's twist, I already showed you the grind marks on this. So, I'm going to take that and try and set the camera. Put that in the twist, or in the vise. Same thing. And gently twist one way, and you keep an eye on it, because you're really watching to see where you like it. If you over twist it and that's a little too separated, you can under twist it a bit, you know, but for the most part that's a fairly even separation. And then while it's still hot, you clean it off and straighten it up on a wood block, you know, which I conveniently moved right below my anvil here, right below my vise. You know, boom, and you make sure it's straight. Okay. Now there you go. That is a Rubik's twist. A lot of people love it. A lot of people want to see it done. Okay. So I'm trying to get a background to it. All right. That's an easy and fun one, isn't it? And again, in my opinion, this one doesn't really do good for handles because it's got the sharp edges. If you kind of file it down or sand it down, buff it down a bit so that it's a bit smoother, it could be okay. But I prefer not to make that as a handle that you need to, for something that you need to grip tightly, you know, such as like an oyster knife. Bottle openers, it works great for bottle openers, you know. There you go. All right. Cooled it off so that you can take a good look at it again. All right. And again, all right, thank you for watching these twist videos, this series that I'm doing. This is the 4th one, the Rubik's twist. If you're new to Island Metal Forge, I'm just a guy who picked this up under a year ago, and I'm doing what I can with what I have and what I find or build, just to show people that, you know what, you can do it too. Just get out there and try it is the main thing. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook at Island Metal Forge, or Facebook/Island or Facebook.com/Island Metal, whatever it is. Just search me and, you know, follow. I do live videos on on the weekends. I do Saturdays on YouTube. Yeah, pop your head in, show some support, and join the island crew. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me. This is Yamez saying, Forge on.